Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Pixel tablet device, and I can show you how to install and how to use Wallpapers engine on this Pixel device. So basically it's very easy to do. Firstly, you can open the Play Store and find here Wallpaper Engine. Find it and click install. Click open. And cool, and now you can set up the wallpapers for you. Of course, if you wanna set up wallpapers from your PC version application, so of course you have this application for PC devices, but this version, this application for PC is paid, so you need to pay for it. You can buy it in Steam. So here in Add you can import it with a computer, and if you will have wallpapers in your PC, so you can export from PC and import to your tablet. So for example, I want to install the Dino Run wallpaper. So how can I do it? So to do it, you just need to click on it and just click apply. Of course you can change the layout of the wallpaper, but you can use it in normal way. So then click OK, and check how you wanna set the wallpaper, and click set wallpaper, home screen and lock screen for example. And now we have the situation when the wallpaper, as you can see, is changed to the other one resolution. So we have another resolution right now, and as you can see it fits to all our display, and wallpapers right now are working even in our... So wait a while, I need to block this device, and maybe I don't know how to do it, man. Okay, it's here. So now let's try again, and cool, as you can see on the lock screen I have this wallpaper too. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video. I hope you will enjoy all these wallpapers, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye.